In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Maybe you want to factory reset just to have a clean slate to make your laptop PC as good as new, since maybe you're selling it, or maybe you're just trying to fix one of your issues. So what you want to do firstly is go to the bottom where it says search and then type in factory. And when you start typing it in, you're going to see reset this PC as one of the options. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to show you all these different things. When you want to go to reset this PC, it's going to say choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So what we're going to do is press reset this PC. So if you're keeping your, your laptop PC, but you're just trying to fix something, you can press keep my files. It removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. So you can choose that, or you can remove everything if you want a completely clean slate. So once you choose whichever one you want, it's going to be getting things ready for you. You choose how you want to go ahead and reinstall Windows. So we'll just do local reinstall, and then it's going to show you everything that's going to be removed. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.